Hello everybody, we're gonna make some of these today. Cupcakes! Ooh! So let's get some of this, a big ball of Play-doh. Put it in, ooh, and then make some frosting. Ooh! This turned out really good! So let's use yellow frosting. Ooh. But first let's make a heart frosting. That sounds good. Because people love themselves, you know. But not yourself. People. People love other people. That's what the world's about. But I can't do that. Oh, look how well this turned out. Let's just get all the extras. There we go. Here we have our heart frosting. There. We're gonna make another donut. We're gonna make this donut red. At least it had enough. That's funny. Okay, I don't want to make things. I love snow jokes. Do you know how to make a snow joke? I do. Oh, do you know how to make a joke? Okay, knock knock. I'm directing cow. Moo! That's pretty funny. Okay. That's a joke. That's also a joke. Okay. So now let's make orange. No, let's make green. Ooh, here. No. Okay, this frosting is a little too big. Let me just squish it down. Hey, who took my Play-doh? Here it is. Ooh, look at this shiny little frosting. We can only make one more because my daddy said, well, make 3. So now we're gonna make one more, and then I'm gonna make some other stuff. So just put that in there. Wait, we need a bigger ball than that. Oh, like a little fur. Ha! No more jokes. Now, I'm gonna use blue for frosting. Here's our, oh, that's pretty good. I don't know. Let's push this down. Hey, look at this. Ooh, look at this yummy frosting. So here's all the cupcakes I made. This cupcake, and this cupcake. Well, guys, this is all we made today, and I'm gonna make more stuff than this, like a beard. I'm just kidding. Like the sofa. I know. So now we're gonna make another thing, like fruit or vegetables or only food. That's it. Look at this. These cherries, I think. Yeah. Look at this cherry. Yeah. Look at this cherry. Hey, everybody! Look at these eggs. Let's check what's inside them. Let's see this egg. So what's inside? Oh, inside the red egg. Ooh. Let's see what's inside it. Oh, look at this. It's a little turtle for my game. I'll check what's inside this. Oh, it's my big brother's helmet. Do you see this helmet? It's for my big brother. I'm a girl. I'll see what's inside this egg. Ooh, it's a little gunny gun. Oh, do you see it? No, guys. Let's see what's inside this egg. Ooh, it's easily surprising. Oh, look at this. It's a Lego for my big brother. Now check the green egg. Ooh, look at this. It's a little circle thing. I don't know what it is, but still. That's all the eggs. But there's one more egg, I think. Nope, this is just the green. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy my game. I know this is a little. See this Lego? Do you see this turtle? Oh, do you see this mask? Do you see this gun? And do you see this swirly circle thing? I don't know what it's called, but still, it's so, oh my God, so good. I hope, oh guys, see what I can make with this, I thought that was locked and I was like, oh, locked. Great, Daddy. Oh, it turned out to be 3 of them. See this, see this, see this, see this? It turned out to be 3. Ooh. Coffee sauce. Perfect sticky. Oh no, I messed it up. Wait. Let's see if I can make this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Let's see what I can make with this. Oh, it's turning out to be pretty well. Ooh, so ooh, it has a dot. Just take all those extras off without even breaking it. All these extras, all these extras, all these extras, all these extras, all these. Oh my God! So sorry! I don't like Play-doh, but I really want to play with it. Daddy, I'm gonna make a house, okay? Hey everybody, I'm gonna make a house. Making a house is hard, little guy. You need to try it. It's squished down, I think. Daddy, get some sticky stuff. Because I can't go on the table because I'm not going to make a house. Okay, so look, this is tricky, okay? Y'all better not make one, because if you are, you'll die. There. Hey, a little help here, guys? Thank you. Here's our new house. Make a little squished. Oh, this turned out to be a pretty poop. Oh, look at this! Oh, now we're gonna need Daddy was my make. Make Daddy. This thing is a car. What? A car. A car. That's so hard. A puppy. That's hard. Guess what? I can make one thing. Hey, I'm gonna make a puppy. So, I'm going to make the paws first.